Did you know the average person loses nearly 10% of their aerobic capacity every decade after age 30? Most people aren't out of shape because of age, but because they train their hearts the wrong way. If you're winded on stairs or hit with mid-afternoon energy crashes, your stamina isn't gone, it's dormant. I'll show you how to wake it up in 4 weeks. No fancy equipment or toxic motivation, just science. This is HealthyBillien, ready to transform in 30 days. Like and comment day 1 to get started. Point 1. Master the aerobic base zone 2 training to build stamina. You must first establish your aerobic base. Picture your energy as a house. Most people build a big roof without a foundation. In 2025, the best foundation is zone 2 training, working at 60 to 70% of your maximum heart rate, where talking feels easy but you're still active. Why is this detailed? Because at this intensity, your body undergoes mitochondrial biogenesis. You are literally growing more power plants inside your cells. This forces your body to become efficient at burning fat for fuel rather than relying on limited sugar stores. For the first 30 days, your goal is 150 minutes a week in this zone. You should be able to hold a full conversation without gasping. If you're huffing and puffing, you've gone too far and you're actually training. A different energy system, slow down to speed up. Point 2. The 10-20-30 interval protocol. Once we have the base, we need to raise your VO2 max, the maximum oxygen your body can use during exercise. In 2025, the most researched, beginner-friendly method is the 10-20-30 protocol. Here is how you execute it in detail. Choose any activity: walking, cycling, or swimming. You do 30 seconds at a very low, easy intensity. Then you immediately transition into 20 seconds of moderate work intensity. Finally, you give a 10-second sprint or max effort. You repeat this cycle 5 times, rest for 2 minutes, and repeat. Research shows that this specific timing improves cardiovascular health and running performance much more quickly than traditional steady jogging, because it forces the heart to recover under stress. It teaches your heart to return to a resting rate quickly, which is the definition of high stamina. Point 3. Muscular endurance vs absolute strength. A common mistake: thinking stamina is only about your heart. If your legs tire in 5 minutes, it's your muscles, not your lungs, that hold you back. Train for muscular endurance. Unlike bodybuilders who lift heavy weights for a few reps, we are going to focus on time under tension. You want to perform compound movements like goblet squats, reverse lunges, and modified push-ups using 15 to 25 rep range. Detailed tip: focus on the eccentric or lowering phase of the movement. Take 3 seconds to go down and 1 second to come up. This strengthens the connective tissues and builds type 1 slow-twitch muscle fibers. These fibers are incredibly resistant to fatigue and will allow you to stand, walk, and move for hours without that burning sensation of lactic acid buildup. Point 4. Mitochondrial nutrition and glycogen management. You cannot outtrain a poor diet, but specifically, you cannot build stamina without nitric oxide. This is a molecule that relaxes your blood vessels, allowing oxygen to reach your working muscles more quickly. To naturally increase this, increase your intake of nitrates found in beets, arugula, and spinach, especially in the 2 hours before your workout. Furthermore, we need to manage your glycogen stores, your body's way of storing carbohydrate energy for exercise. For beginners, eat complex carbs like oats or quinoa 90 minutes before a workout for steady energy. Avoid high-sugar energy drinks that cause insulin spikes and crashes. Instead, hydrate with water, a pinch of sea salt, and magnesium to keep muscle electrical signals effective. Even 2% dehydration can make your workout feel 20% harder. Point 5. CO2 tolerance and nasal breathing. The final secret to stamina is actually in your nose. Most beginners are mouth breathers when they get tired. This causes you to offload too much carbon dioxide, CO2, which actually prevents oxygen from entering your tissues, a phenomenon known as the Bohr effect. The Bohr effect means that low CO2 levels make it harder for oxygen to move from your blood into your muscles. To increase stamina in 30 days, practice nasal-only breathing during Zone 2 sessions. This builds CO2 tolerance and lowers your breathing rate. Control your breath to control your heart rate. If you must mouth breathe, you're going too hard. By day 30, you'll go faster while keeping your mouth closed, a true sign of elite. Aerobic fitness. Stamina isn't a gift. It's a natural response to the right signals. Follow these 5 points for a month, and your energy will surprise you. If this helped, like the video and comment if you have questions about the methods. Nutrition is 70% of success, so check the link for my recommended all-in-one stamina and recovery supplement. I'm HealthyBillien. Stay active, stay consistent, and see you next time.